This morning, the debate is picking up over masks inside the classroom, this time in the East County. One district will soon enforce a strict indoor masking policy. This is a change of plans from what they originally said.
News 8's Chris Crow joining us now with reaction from parents as well as what's next here. Chris, we're just getting a look at this new letter from the county superintendent of schools after the state sent out this letter. And boy, make no mistake about it, they want masks in schools and they don't want any other districts going away from that guidance.
And look, we've been talking about confusion for quite some time surrounding masks and schools, but this is pretty much putting it into context here. Again, this letter from the San Diego County Superintendent, Dr. Paul Gothold, sent an email again to district leaders alerting them to a letter sent out by the state, which threatens fines and discipline for those that do not follow universal mandatory mask policies. In that statement, the one the state sent out, Health Director Dr. Tomas Aragon tells school leaders that failure to enforce mask requirements breaches not only legal duty, but also the duty of protecting kids, so they risk, quote, serious legal, financial, and other risks. Now, that confusion was pretty evident in Alpine. At first, the school district announced last month parents had a choice if their kids were to wear masks indoors. However, starting Wednesday, the school said that kids that don't wear a mask indoors will have to go home for independent study unless they have a medical exemption. But look, the Alpine superintendent did say he would change it to allow parents to decide on masks if the state's requirement changed. And look, this latest correspondent is solidifying that state stance. The state and the county making it very clear they want school districts to follow the mandatory mask policy or else they could risk serious consequences. That's administrators, teachers, and staff. Now, while there has been some confusion over the interpretation of the mandate, California Department of Public Health website cites that masks are required for kids inside schools. Last night, parents from both sides sounded off on the issue of masks.
If I am willing to take a bullet for your children, I should be willing to risk getting COVID for your children as well. It's not hard to wear a mask. It hurts no one and only helps stop the spread of this disease.
And while some parents pointed out that this shouldn't be a political issue, it's proving to be so nationwide. 87% of Democrats believe masks should be required compared to 28% of Republicans, while only 13% of Democrats say that masks should be optional versus 62% of Republicans.